This video will walk you through how to connect NetDocuments to SignatureBridge. First, you'll want to log into NetDocuments as an administrator. I've already done that step. Next, you'll go to your name, select Admin in the upper right-hand corner, and choose the cabinet. You can connect more than one cabinet, but you need to do them individually. In the upper left-hand corner of the cabinet dialog, you'll choose to integrate external applications. Now we'll find Trumpet SignatureBridge and check the checkbox. If Trumpet SignatureBridge does not appear on the list, choose Add an Unpublished App. Then enter the app ID. Here's a list of the various codes for the different repositories. Enter yours in the box and choose the Add App button. Now we'll click Save. Repeat these steps for any cabinets you wish to connect to SignatureBridge.